I've never read that book before. That'd be a good read. I really want to learn about some journeys. This looks like a train. Fall over and be like, do you know if this is like any dog in it? I just like don't want to buy it if I just... The colour of time. Companion to the resolution. Geography mainly. Jesus, this book is going to be heavy. I've never read that book before. That'd be a good read. Excuse me. Would you recommend this book, The 1909? Okay. I'm trying to like get into good school and like get my education up because I've been playing Xbox for too long. I've been playing Xbox for too long, so I'm just trying to read. How many books am I allowed to take out? 15. Okay.
I'm sorry, what did you want this another after this, did you say?
Oh no, I'm just asking if it's a good book. Online, like online reading.
Sorry, if you've got your library card.
I feel like we've been here before. I feel like I was here like 2 days ago. Imagine it's convenient that they put the earplugs next to air one. Do you reckon they did that on purpose? Do you have like fake microphones? Like, do you have like fake microphones? No. It's just for a school project. Do you reckon these sunglasses suit me?
Oh yeah, it'll
Yeah. He keeps following me around with the camera. I don't... So we're ordering pizza. And then the lady's like, what name do you want to put it under? Me and Josh both have the same name. He looks at me and he's like, whose name do you want to use? It's going to be the same name. I was like, haha. Yes. Fall over and be like, don't litter, put your rubbish away. Should we go that way? The content output has been pretty bad. Actually, it hasn't even been that bad. Don't even attack me. We did 2 days in a row, and then skipped 1 day, and then we're doing today, obviously. So I have more vlogs. A podcast coming. We're gonna have our first guest. A lot of you know him. He's semi-famous. We have more people on it. It's gonna be good. I feel bad. They're just kids. What's up, boys? I come in peace. Stranger danger. I come in peace. I think I just used all of it. How do I fix it? Oh. Winners!
Oh, get done.
No, go on just and say, is this made out of dog?
Yeah, okay, I'll do it. This? Okay, ready?
Oh, it won't focus.
Do you know if this is like any dog in it? I just like don't want to buy it if there's like real dog in it, because I don't want dogs to like die. Do you know if it has dog in it?
I'm sure it doesn't.
Okay. I'll get it then.
What happened?
I was like, hey, do you know this?
Wait, what's he doing? Girl, what's that?
Jumping like a trampoline. See my pickup in a magazine. They want a different me, like is you kidding me? I gotta get this cheddar, it's just here to me.